Upon. The cat jumped upon the table. The cat jumped upon the table. A bird sat upon the tree. A bird sat upon the tree. Between. Choose between the two. Choose between the two. Divide the cake between you two. Divide the cake between you two. I sat between Tom and John. I sat between Tom and John. Among. I was among 6 people. I was among 6 people. There is a spy among us. There is a spy among us. Divide the cake among you three. Divide the cake among you three. Beneath. The mobile is beneath my pillow. The mobile is beneath my pillow. They live on the floor beneath. They live on the floor beneath. Tom is sitting beneath the tree. Tom is sitting beneath the tree. The money was hidden beneath the ground. The money was hidden beneath the ground. Through. Water is passing through the pipe. Water is passing through the pipe. Tom ran through the forest. Tom ran through the forest. Don't go through the lobby. Don't go through the lobby. Tom went through the tunnel. Tom went through the tunnel. Above. The sky is above our heads. The sky is above our heads. She's rented a room above a shop. She's rented a room above a shop. The helicopter was hovering above the building. The helicopter was hovering above the building. Over. I put a shawl over my shoulders. I put a shawl over my shoulders. The fox jumped over the gate. The fox jumped over the gate. Behind. He was behind me. He was behind me. I hid behind a tree. I hid behind a tree. Shut the door behind you. Shut the door behind you. During. He slept during the study. He slept during the study. They work during the night. They work during the night. You are not allowed to talk during the exam. You are not allowed to talk during the exam. Except. The doctor comes every day except Sunday. The doctor comes every day except Sunday. The museum is open daily except Monday. The museum is open daily except Monday. Everyone was there except John. Everyone was there except John. Till. I will study till morning. I will study till morning. I have been here since May. I have been here since May. I have been here since 2:30. I have been here since 2:30. It has been raining since yesterday. 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 Their holiday will start from tomorrow. Their holiday will start from tomorrow. He was on leave from Sunday. He was on leave from Sunday. After. The train left after 7 o'clock. The train left after 7 o'clock. He always runs after money. He always runs after money. Beyond. His house is beyond that bridge. His house is beyond that bridge. The palace is just beyond the forest. The palace is just beyond the forest. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.